Okay, so good morning. Let's do our task. Let's see. Okay, this I can work. The I can work with this with using flex, not using absolute. So yes. Okay. First, the background. Mhm. Then the container. This will be a container. Okay, and this container have a, how many is this? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 children. 6 children. So we can say plus child 1. Okay. 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. And what now? Okay, let's control. This is yeah. Let's make this a 1 all. Yes. These 6 are child 1 in the top, or we can say that this is child top, like that. And what now? Okay, let's apply width and height of for the child 1. For all these child 1, so child 1, they have the width of like 10 or 20, then the height of 60, and of course they have the color of this white, and yeah, that's it. So now, instead of what do you call this, instead of styling or putting values each one of these childs, we can just uh, style the container. So just like this, container, and I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but I hope this will. Okay, let's select. No, there is no. Yeah, this is the. We are lacking a closing tag, that's why it's not working. Sorry. Now we have six rectangles. Okay, let's put a gap. The rem. 2 rem is just like 12, 22, 24 pixel. Let's try. yeah, 24 pixel is 12 rem because 1 rem is equivalent to 12 pixel. Yeah. So enough of that. Let's go back. 2.1, 2. Yes, 2.5 is, and push this to the top. So how to push this to the top? Just simply put a margin, just like that, margin. I'm not worried about, I'm not worried about the what do you call this, the orientation, the orientation, the destruction of orientation. We are just applying what we can see in the screen. So yes, put a margin to the bottom, and it is not pushing. Why? Position. We can try background. Okay. Okay. Maybe here. Okay, you put the margin on the children instead of the parent. So let's erase this and add some more margin like so. Okay, now we we are able to complete the top portion. Now on the bottom portion. So what we can do is just copy this, copy this. So yeah, container one. Copy this container one along with these children. Its children. Now just rename this 1 into 2 and copy the style of the 1 and rename this to 2. And then this is, they are on top of each other, so why not we put the 2 on the bottom. So to do that, just decrease the margin bottom, or maybe we can just invert this to negative, and it is not showing. Why? Container 2. Maybe too much center. Let's put a background to tell if container 2 really exists, and it is not existing in our yeah, because we put a 100% height here. That's why the second container isn't showing. Okay, we are good that we realized our mistake. Now they are showing both, but I'm afraid they are not in good position. Yeah, just decrease this margin a bit. That maybe in the middle, and of course in the middle. Yeah, 50 perhaps. Okay, we can play around with this. It's really good to watch. Just like that, like a domino something. Anyway, how? Okay, remove the color because we already know the second container is existing. Oh, mistake the color here container, and yeah, push this to the bottom top. Also this one, and they are aligned. So all that's left is the horizontal rectangle, or this division right here. Okay, you can just create the copy this and copy this closing tag. Very important. Division. We can just put class name of division or horizontal. Horizontal, and copy and paste. What's funny thing about here is that I'm not sure if Flex will do the work or will be effective in this kind of situation. The only one div. We don't know if this is a parent or a child because it has only one div, but maybe it is a parent. Maybe it is a... Yeah, this is not a parent. This is also not a child. It's a single element. There's no point saying. There's no point in discussing things we don't know. Okay, let's play relax. Because we are trying here not to use absolute to center things. Okay, this is flex. Wrong spelling. Display. Align items. Center. Okay. Width of 300 and height of maybe just let's just put 30, and color very important, and it is not showing, of course. Why is this? Yeah, because this is 50, and this is probably just below here, lying around off screen. So we need to make this in the middle of container 1 and container 2, just like that. And yeah, I know it is terrible. Okay, with the height. It's not occupying. There's a default margin here, so this is going a lot of work. Margin there, that, and yeah, we have to adjust everything here. because this is margin height is 5. Yes. Yes, the height is probably 7. All that's left is to make this container 1 a 40%. Yeah, 7. How much is that? If you put 7, then 41 plus, let's do the math here. Okay, so this is just an easy task, but like this, okay, 42 plus, no, 42 is not, maybe 46 plus 46 equals, no, let's divide. 46 plus 46, yeah, we can put a 46% here, 46, and also for the container 2, 46, and this is terrible. You can just put 8 here, maybe. 6. Yeah, we can make this 47. This one, 47. And 47. And then they reduce the margin bottom to 20. 0. Yeah, 0 will do that thing. And of course this is 0. I know this isn't perfect, but at least we do our thing. We didn't use position absolute to center this one. We are already in the 100. We already finished 100 of this, but we are still using absolute. It's not a good practice to just stay on your comfort. Thank you.